Sometimes I guess it's the way, like, you know, people do stuff. So, got this box right here and everybody like whips out like a chainsaw or some way of opening up a package. And I've talked about this knife before. This is the CRKT Fossil. Thing's absolutely awesome. So I'm going to bust open into this package right here. You can see it's got some flaming batteries, and I think you know why that is. And I referenced on a video earlier where this is from, so let's bust it open. So this is actually a box that I got from, obviously you can see I got it from Amazon, but I actually got it from HRB. They hooked me up, and we're going to check out these batteries that we got here. So just simple 3 batteries. You can see right there on the package. It's got the TRX. That actually didn't even matter. I'm going to end up switching those out to the XT60s anyway. Or 90s. I'll probably switch them out to the 60s. But you can see it's a 3S 50C battery and 5,000 milliamps. And yeah, let's just open it up and check it out. The effect of freaking out here. You're all set now. HRB. So it comes with, you know, typical HRB instructions. Hey, he's trying to kill himself. Yeah, I don't know what he's doing. He's freaking out. But you can see the Traxxas connector right there. Balance lead right here. Looks good. It's not puffy. But just gives you your warning instructions right here. Just talking about, you know, don't overcharge it more than 4.2 volts. Don't discharge it below 3.7. You know, don't throw it in fire. You know, don't do stuff that you shouldn't do to a LiPo battery. All right. Is it open? Almost feels like it's in. Oh wow. So it gives you a how to charge. Right there. Wow, he's really being talkative. Really being talkative, buddy, over there. So it says, if you will not use this battery for a long time, please keep it in a dry and suitable temperature environment. Keep the cells charged to around 3.85. They may lose power over time, so please never discharge to a low voltage condition that couldn't be charged again. Which, that's actually the problem that I ran into with these batteries here, because what ended up happening was I put them into storage last season, the last time I used my Red Cat that's up there on the top, and I properly, you know, storage charged the batteries or storage discharged the batteries, cycled them through, you know, my charger that I've got, which is a it's a Tenergy TB6B, which is, you know, a typical charger. It like goes across multiple platforms. You'll basically see this same charger just with different, you know, exterior configurations. You can hear him in the background. He's like flipping out. I don't know if you can see him back there. He's acting like a nut. Wherever I was in that, you know, talking about this battery, but I I had a warranty kind of like situation in my mind. I was actually 7 months out, which was, when I had purchased those batteries, and I had only used them for, a handful of times and put them away, like I said, for storage. And yeah, when I went to go charge up one of the batteries, one of the cells, so in a 3-cell LiPo, you can see it's separated by 1, 2, 3 different cells, or technical batteries. That's why it's a 3S, because it's for, 3 cells. So one of the cells, which is I actually believe might be the middle one, I'll have to double check it, it was actually at 0.00 volts, and that kind of like surprised me. So it made me think that, maybe the battery failed. So I did do the nickel metal hydride kind of fix to it, which was just, trying to power it up, a force power into it. But that's one of those things where LiPo batteries, you try not to really like mess with them. If you're going to do that NIMH charge to it, you got to really watch it. And I actually put it on 0.05 amps. Just to, man, he's freaking out there. You're not stuck, are you? You goon? There. Anyways, whatever it is, I was 7 months out. The warranty is 6 months. It's kind of like a prorated warranty. So after back and forth, conversations, between emails with this company, they made me a deal that I couldn't refuse. So I got 3 more batteries, and yeah. So we're going to charge it. Actually, so what we're going to do is we're actually going to check this cell first, or we're going to check this battery first, just to see where we are at, coming out of the box charge. And we'll check all 3 of them and see how it is. This will kind of like, I guess, be the test for these HRB batteries, at least for this one right here, which is the 5,000 milliamp 3S 50C battery. So let's toss it on a charger and see what's going on. The last battery that I charged was a nickel metal hydride. So we're going to get out of there by going to whichever battery, we want to go to. And I obviously want to go to, a LiPo battery. Got that set up. Peel the tape away here. Remember with these batteries, just always be careful with how you're treating everything with a LiPo battery. That tape actually on there. Jeez. Being a nut over there, Vector. So we're going to connect it up to power. TRX plug, which I actually don't have on here. I think the last time I used that was on my Red Cat. Oh, actually, yeah. Got those. Got that. Check the Red Cat, see if my adapters are on there. Yep. So, only need one. I'm just going to steal it off. It just had a Dean's to TRX plug, because the Red Cat is actually a T-style or a Dean's, type of connector. Connect that up. And then obviously we'll check the battery, and I'll put this, maybe in a position where you can... Wait, he fall asleep or something, or he die? Oh, I think he's dead. Poor little guy. I'm gonna have to go... I gotta go throw Vector on his charger. I didn't realize that he was, wiped out a battery. Alright, so we'll connect up the balance lead first, just the way I do it. And don't charge your LiPos in home. Charge it outside. or put it in, don't trust those bags either. Maybe put it in like a True Blue firebox or a safe or whatever. So you can see we got the new battery all connected up. And we're going to go and we're going to select that LiPo battery charge. But what we want to do is we want to do a LiPo balance just to see the condition of, you know, this battery itself. So we're going to press and hold, keep it at 1 amp. It's going to check it. And then I want to see individual cells. So you can see 3.83 volts is the charge across all three batteries. So this battery right here, the HRB, this is in absolutely perfect storage condition. So we're just going to let it do its thing for now. I'm not, you know, again, I'm not kind of worried about it. We'll open up these boxes right here. Get a little bit better organized here. And we'll just check out, make sure that these are all set in the same thing. Fairly confident these are going to be the exact same deal. Shouldn't be any problem with these. And again, you know, using a knife, just be careful. LiPo batteries, man, they can go off like a rocket. So, 5,000 milliamp, 3S. Check this one here. $5,000 milliamp, 50C3S. Both solid, strong batteries. I think we're good to go. We're gonna let this thing charge up and get rid of all this trash here. Don't need any of this garbage. Keep your instruction manual. So I'm gonna put up on the screen an email. I think a crucial or critical email, kind of like wording or conversation that I had. Not really like a charging issue, but they said that with these batteries, you know, with LiPos, that I guess you want to make sure that you know, if you're going to put them away for an extended period of time, that you do kind of want to, I guess, check on them and just give them, you know, a quick little check with your charger. It doesn't take much time, and if you care about your LiPo batteries, that's something you will do. And yeah, so it was just one cell that had died, and I'm just chalking that up to, you know, that, you know, every once in a while you got to manufacture a defect. So we're just going to go with that, and let's see what we're looking at. Bad glare. So right there, that's not too bad of a balanced charge. These cells are supposed to be 4.2. We got 4.19 across the board. It is still doing like a small balance charge to it. And that was actually done at 5 amps. So yeah, so that works out. Those batteries aren't that bad. Now what we're going to do is toss them in the Red Cat and see how the Red Cat handles some 3S power. Technically, it's actually 6S, not 3S. 3S batteries times 2, yeah, 6S. But the real test will be, you know, a couple of charges going into this battery. And the best way, you know, to charge a battery, especially a LiPo, is to balance charge it. You know, don't, you know, ram it home and just slam, you know, 5, 6, 7 amps into one of these batteries and expect it to last. If you want it to last, you got a balanced charge. It does take time, but that's why you get multiple chargers, so that you can, you know, charge multiple batteries. Or I'm actually going to look into getting a 4-battery charger, which, you know, again, don't charge your LiPo batteries in your home unless you want it to burn down. No, I probably shouldn't have said that. My wife is going to see this video. Anyways, so if you like the content, If you want to see more RC stuff right here, we're going to take the Red Cat out today. I've got some stuff coming from China, actually, for the TRX. That's the old E-Revo, and maybe we'll do some bashing on the Gen 7 right there, which, I mean, that thing is getting more and more bulletproofed by the breakage. Yeah, so if you like my channel, you like the content, please, by all means, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, throw a thumbs up on there, share it, you know, do whatever it takes, man. Any and all is appreciated. So thanks for watching this RC episode of What's Up Guy Garage.